Hello everyone, this is Vinay here from Learn Coding with Vinay, and we are into the video number 25 of our video series where we are building movie ratings application using ASP.NET Core MVC, Micro RM Dapper, and ChatGPT as our coding assistant. Right. So in previous couple of videos, we developed section 1 and 2 for homepage. In this video, we are going to look into third section, which is recently added movies. So instead of recently added movies, we will have recently released movies, right? So instead of add, we will use the release movie based on the date. So let me just push that. It's a very small prompt. So I'll just bring it on screen, and we will go ahead from there, right? So let me read it. That let's similar way work on the next section. Top 5 recent release movies based on the release date. Right. So let me push this, and let's wait for the ChatGPT's response. So let's analyze the response. So it has ChatGPT has created the store procedure, which is good, and it must have ordered by release date. Okay, good. We are taking 5 records: ID, name, poster, release date, and average rating. Okay, good. Then we have the VM. Okay, good. Then we have the recent movies. Why do we have these top trending movies? That we already did. Okay, we'll ignore that. Get recent movies. Okay, and we will have this get recent movies method. Yeah, no, we will be using dashboard repository, so it is not the home. And then yeah, okay, so let's start with the first step, creating the store procedure. So let me copy these, let me bring the ssms. I'll go here in the second tab where we have already one sp. I'll replace this with the latest current code. Let me say f5. Good, this is nice. Let me say f5. Let me check this, test this once. It should bring the similar output that we did in the previous video. Very good. It says rating does not exist. Okay, let me see what do we have in user rating table. So what do we have it on rating? It is rating only. Okay, that was the problem over here. It's C, content C. Okay, rating left join rating. No, it's not rating, it's user content rating. Okay, see. Okay, now let me create this. Okay, this is good. Let me run this now. Now it is okay. Okay, good. So it is returning us the data. Now let's move to the next. Now let's create this VM. Now we have already created few VMs in one physical file only. We'll go there only. So home movie card VM, right? We'll put down one more class over here. Yeah. Let me see if that is done. Copy paste was done or not. Okay, it is taking time. Yeah, okay, so it is done. Let me save it, and in this home landing VM we'll put down this as a property, so it will be this one. So again, see, ChatGPT again started giving some other name. We should have instructed it, okay, we have this, right, and you give a solution around this only, right? So next time we'll do that. He said moves here, might have to change a lot of code. Yeah, so let's move to the next step now. So this is done. Now let's take this into the, it is copying in I home repository, but we will be using I dashboard, right? I dashboard. I'll go to I dashboard. I'll just copy paste over here. I'll just save, and then let's go to dashboard repository, and let's go to ChatGPT and bring that function as well. Okay, so what is the problem over here? Okay, stop. Oh, it was in debugging mode. Let me stop that. We don't need that. And let's take this one, this method. Let's say copy. Go to Visual Studio and let's go to dashboard repository.cs. Let's go to and copy paste, save it, and let's see if the error is gone. Okay, great, it is gone. And next would be the controller code. Let's move ahead with the controller code. Program.cs, we already have registered dashboard repository, so we don't need this. So in home we will have on index. Okay, so we'll take this portion only, because we already have home controller where we are bringing few data, right? So what we'll be doing, we'll go to home, we'll just write this. Okay, so instead of home it would be okay, so let me not do it that way. Okay, so let me take this out over here for consistency. We'll do the same, we'll take it in where variable, and then we will take it into the class. So let me copy paste it over here. Let me mark is where. So okay, let me tell you what I did. I just took one more variable, recent movies, and use that repository method that brings us the top recent movies, and assign it over here. Let me check if this is the correct property name. Okay. Yeah, it is traversing to over here, which is good. So property name is not a problem. Now let's move to the razor view. So let me just copy this. Let me go to our home index, and after this I'll paste it over here, recent movie section. This is good. And let me see what do we have. Movie, recent movies. Okay, so we have name, we have image. mm, okay, so this looks good. Let's run it and see whether it is working or not. Okay, so we have error because we missed to replace this con variable. Actually this has to be replaced with this, and then it would be connection. All right, okay, let me run this again. So I just ran the application, and we can see now recently released movies. But this recently released text is so big, we'll just make it similar to this. And this looks good, this looks good. So let's just make it equal. So we must have card header, okay, over here, which is h2. This must, let's check at the rest of the places, it must be h4 or something. Where do we have the card header? Okay, top rated over here, h4. Yeah. Okay, so let's make this h4 and wait over here. So let's go to, okay, it is refreshing. Okay, so this looks good now. And let's see if we can fix the card size. Card. Okay, let me make this height 100%. Okay, it did not make any difference. Okay, I think we'll have to put down into the image. Let's make it height 100, so that all car are looking same, but the content are, yeah. Okay, so this looks good now. This is still better, right? Do we have, was there any height specified over here? No, no, nothing. So this looks good. Also we are done with our section 1, which is hero section, then top trending, now top rated, right? Then recently released. Okay, this is good, this is all good. Right. So let me go to the chat GPT and let me see what can be the next section we can pick. So we are done with 1, 2, and 3. Yeah, okay, so the next one is the genre and category section. interactive cards for each genre. Okay, clicking on genre, moving the list. Okay, so in the next video, what we'll be doing, we will be displaying list of genre, whatever genre we have, maybe in cards or tabular structure or something like that, right, below this, and we will display the count of it, and clicking on it, it will take us to the movie list kind of thing, right? So see, that's it in this video. See you in the next video where we'll work on section number 4. Thanks a lot, guys.